That stunning viral ad was created entirely by AI. No camera, no editing, and no production crew were needed. Want to reproduce videos just like that using only your product image and a reference clip? In this video, I will show you how to use this effortless workflow to create production-ready ads in minutes, saving you massive amounts of time and money. Let's dive in and see how this effortless workflow operates in real time.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Let's introduce the Topview Video Agent. Recreate any viral video for your product in minutes. If you sell products online, you already know that viral videos sell faster than any paid campaign, but achieving that quality often requires a studio, camera, or editing team. This powerful AI tool is designed specifically for marketers and creators to reproduce viral short videos automatically. It's built on the OpenAI Sora2 Engine, ensuring it generates realistic visuals and cinematic quality. Alright, let's actually try out the new Topview Video Agent and see how it works in real time. First things first, click the link in the description and it will take you straight to topview.ai. Once you sign up and log in, you will land on the main dashboard. Right at the top of the website, you will see a banner that says Sora2 Topview Agent is live. Click on Try Agent. That's where the magic begins. If you are not already logged in, simply complete your login now to access the workspace. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools inside Sora, the Viral Video Agent. Accessing the tool, at the top of your dashboard you'll see a banner that reads, Sora2 Topview Agent is live. Click Try Agent and instantly you're taken to a clean, modern workspace designed for creativity. At the center is a large prompt box, inviting you to bring your ideas to life. Below it you'll find 3 simple options that kick off your creative journey. Upload your product image. This becomes the visual centerpiece of your ad. Upload a reference video, a viral clip the AI will analyze, learn from, and recreate with your brand. Choose your aspect ratio, vertical for Reels and TikToks, or horizontal for YouTube, web, and ad campaigns. Everything is intuitive, sleek, and ready to go. Scroll down and you'll discover a library of viral inspirations, a curated feed of trending clips from TikTok, Instagram, and beyond. Don't have a reference video yet? No problem. Browse the collection, find a viral concept that matches your product's style, and click Recreate. The AI instantly loads the clip into your workspace, ready to build your version of it. Example walkthrough, serum product. Let's walk through it with a real example. I'm showcasing my ZS Serum, a premium modern audio accessory. From the viral library, when I click Recreate, the AI automatically generates a base prompt for me. Generate an ad video for my product by replicating the content of the video I provide. Now I simply upload my serum image. Just drag and drop. Next, I select my aspect ratio, vertical, since I'm making a TikTok-style clip. Then I hit Generate. Behind the scenes, the smart plan. Here's where the magic happens. The AI instantly begins analyzing your reference video frame by frame, identifying its pacing, transitions, angles, lighting, and rhythm. It then builds what's called a smart plan, a structured creative workflow that includes a video brief summarizing your brand and goals, a storyboard that visually maps each scene, a narrative outline with suggested captions, camera moves, and music pacing. Before it renders, the system gives you a preview of the storyboard, so you can tweak, confirm, or add your own creative touch. Once everything aligns with your vision, click Confirm, and the AI takes over. The result: your AI-generated ad. Now sit back and let your virtual creative studio do the heavy lifting. Moments later, your finished ad appears, polished, dynamic, and ready to share. Sample output: Meet ZS Serum, my sleek daily go-to. Woody, sweet, and spicy with notes of vanilla, lavender, and coffee. Perfect for dates, meetings, and special events. It lasts for hours and feels effortlessly sensual. The result? Absolutely stunning. Every shot flows seamlessly. The lighting, the pacing, the transitions, all balanced with cinematic precision. A professional quality ad, created in just a few minutes. Creating from scratch. No reference video. But what if you want total creative control, starting from nothing? Just choose Create from Scratch. Upload your product image, then type a text prompt describing your concept. Fresh fruit splashing into water in slow motion. Bright tropical colors. Refreshing energy. Lens reflections, droplets flying. Product bottle in foreground with condensation. Then click Generate. the AI again builds a smart plan, analyzing your prompt, outlining the structure, designing the storyboard, and finally producing your full ad video. And that's it. No cameras, no editing software, no post-production stress. Just pure AI creativity, streamlined into one intelligent tool. With the Viral Video Agent, your brand can create world-class ad videos, faster, smarter, and more beautifully than ever before. Okay, wow, that is truly wild. Whether you are taking inspiration from a trending clip or building your own custom concept, the Topview Video Agent gives you insanely powerful options. I honestly didn't expect this level of realism from an AI-generated ad. The results are absolutely stunning. The lighting, the pacing, even the transitions. It feels like a real ad, but was made completely by AI while you were just clicking a few buttons. If you are a marketer, creator, or e-commerce seller, and you want to stop spending time and money on production, this tool is a total game changer. Ready to start creating your own viral ads? Click the link down in the description below to check out the Topview Video Agent right now. And one last thing, if you try out the platform, don't forget you can share your feedback for optimization directly with the team. They'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.